Ysabel Ortega, she found it fun planting sa kanyang farm sa La Union.
Wow.
See guys, yung mga Gen Z, hindi lang puro TikTok na sa isip namin.
Oo,
We have
Cassy
lots of
Oo,
hobbies and-
oo, Cassy.
I mean, kasi
Oo,
danceress ako, danceress. So,
Wow.
syempre, mahilig talaga ako sa TikTok. But si Ysabel Ortega kasi, she always plants. I always see that sa Instagram niya.
Wow.
And ayun, she plants sa farm niya. So, Ysabel, please show us your farm sa La Union.
I am here ngayon sa ating poultry farm, or at least a different side of our poultry farm / lemon plantation. So, aside from our lemon plantation, meron din tayong mga ibang tanim dito sa farm naman na ito. Magiging farmer mode ako today, kaya suot-suot ko na ang aking flying saucer. Let's go! Okay guys, so nandito naman tayo sa isa pang pocket ng kamutihan ng taniman namin ng kamote. And like what I mentioned kanina, yung isang part na yon is one whole section. And then ito namang section na to is another pocket of kamote. So parang nasa ibang bundok na to, itong area na to. Ayan, so ito namang variety na to na kamote is ube kamote. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo yung mga leaves niya may purple, that's because it's purple inside. So super yummy na to, na pati yung leaves pwede mo rin kainin. Ayan. Ayan guys, so ito yung ube kamote. Ayan, it's color purple. Ayan, so pwede tayo gumawa ng ube pandesal. Ayan. Tapos ito pang samgyupsal. Char! Saan dito mag-harvest ng cheese? Char! Andito tayo sa pa-slope na bundok kasi ngayon nag-harvest kami ng luya. Eh yung luya kasi kaya kami nandito sa pa-slope, it's because gusto ng luya yung ano yung patarik? Ayan no, so ngayon nag-harvest kami ng luya. Ayan no, isang malaking luya to guys. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala kalaki yung luya. Akala ko yung parang buti lang sa palengke.
Okay, alam mo. Ano ba?
Yun! Dalasan na nakapunta ako dito, tinanim pa lang namin lahat ng mga luya. So, super nakakatuwa kasi ngayon nakita ko na yung itsura niya na naka-harvest. Pero yan, isang maliit lang na ganito, na parang thumb lang yung kailangan mo para magtanim ng luya. So imagine mo kung ito lahat, dinivide mo at tinanim mo, grabe. Ang dami mo na agad na ani, diba? Ayan, okay, let's go! Okay, so this is our broiler house. Ayan, so yun yung technical term for yung house ng mga chicken. So ito mismo yung talagang farm. Because na-reach na namin yung target weight ng chickens, ibig sabihin makakapag-harvest kami ng mas maaga. So if I haven't mentioned before, we are contract growers and meron kaming tawag na integrator or bigger company na we grow their chickens for. So they give us the chicks and then papupunta rin sa kanila yung chickens. So that's what contract growing is. And hindi po siya yung isa-isa po namin binibenta sa palengke dahil ang daming manok nito. So aside from having a poultry farm, we also have a lemon plantation here. So if you guys can come with me. So gusto ko sanang bumaba pero baka mag-slide ako. So as you guys can see, all of those little sticks, those are all lemons. Future lemons. And I think it takes around 2 to 3 years. 3 years, 4 years, 2 to 4 years for the lemon plants to grow and actually bear fruit. So as of now, we've planted around 3,000 lemon trees and mas dadami pa yan kasi nung start pa lang kami ng quarantine, nagsimulang mag-plant. So it's very exciting. Mas dadami pang ating lemon trees and then we have coconut trees and then pomelo. So marami yan. Don't worry guys, we are being eco-friendly. Ang dami ba naman naming tinanim.